Wow, we've hit our 100th video rounding up tiny, problem-solving Amazon car upgrades. Today's pair knocks out two of my most hated daily drive snags fast. All links are straight in the description, no digging around needed. Let's roll right into them. Ever had your phone fly out of its holder on a bumpy drive? Super annoying, right? This car phone holder air vent ventilation clip uses a strong clip to hold your phone firmly on your air vent. No more slips. And the price is totally worth it for that peace of mind. Ever have that heart-stopping jolt when your phone mount goes flying mid-turn or over a bump? Well, gadget number 2 in video 100 fixes that instantly with this magnetic phone car mount. Crazy strong magnetic suction clamps it tight to your dash, zero wobble, zero mid-drive mess, and it swivels every which way you want. Hey, we hit video 100. That's wild. Which car gadget was your favorite, the vent clip or the magnetic mount? Give this a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't skip our next one. All Amazon links are in the description. Thanks for watching.